we go. I was gonna take her through the mud here. Beast up here so we can get a better look. There it goes. Here he comes. Oh, it's rocky there. Shut my bike off. Oh! He buried her! Look at him! Oh, yeah! Woo! Yeah! Give her, Ricky! Woo! There you go, second attempt. Oh yeah, he just tore it right up. There he is, look at him, dancing. Here he goes, taking that back trail over there. It's pretty deep through there. Just give her, dude, don't it? There he goes. You can still see him over there. I'm not driving over there, it's no big deal. This is a bigger mud hole. Here he goes. He's gonna bury her again in the hole. Look at this. Oh yeah! Woo! Woo! Look at him, he just buried her. Look at this. He just got her buried. You guys probably haven't seen this four-wheeler yet. It's Ricky's new four-wheeler. We bought it yesterday. $250. Buddy said it needed the valve set. We just threw a gas tank on it. She goes, man. There she goes. Just give her. That's his method. Just give her till she gets out. Rock her. Can't really get over there.
Let's tip it!
Woo! Sunk her! There he goes! Woo! There he goes! Yeehaw! That's all for now. Until next time, don't get your head bitten off by a turkey.